Hi friends, it's Miss Paula with today's art project. Today we are going to make a puppy dog. The supplies you will need are glue or glue stick, 2 roly-poly eyes. If you don't have them, you can just make them with construction paper. I'm making a black lab. That's the only dog I've ever had, so I'm making my puppy in memory of her and giving it a pink nose so it shows up. Let's see, you'll need a pink tongue, some little white whiskers. Just cut some little slivers out of your construction paper or just plain paper. You can use printer paper for the white if you'd like to. And then we cut some little white dog bones. And then you can use any color of construction paper to make your puppy. We just had a lot of black, and I had a black lab, so that's what I used. And we just used it at school. Some of my kids put spots on them. You can add spots if you'd like. And for the black construction paper, you'll need a body. That's the puppy's body. 2 back legs. A head. 2 front legs. This puppy's sitting. Black labs have long ears, so I used long ears. We also had some dogs with short ears. You can just cut little triangles out if you have a short-eared dog, or that's the kind you like. And a tail. And some dogs have short tails too, so that's another thing you can change up and make it your own. Okay. All we really need to do is glue him together. Actually, mine was a her. I'll start by putting the head on. Put a little bit of glue on the body. The kids really enjoyed this project. I asked them, since we only have 2 weeks of school left, what they would like to make for art projects, and we got all kinds of answers. Giraffes, cows, jellyfish, grasshoppers. We'll have some interesting projects coming up for the next few days. Okay, I'm going to glue the ears on now. Hope everyone's having a wonderful week. We're halfway through. Okay, he's looking pretty cute. Let's see. We'll do his legs next. Ooh, 3 legs there. I don't think he needs that many. And what you can do for your back legs is put a little glue on it, and you'll glue this behind the dog's belly. That way it looks like it's behind it. See how that is? We only have a couple of weeks of school left. If you follow me on Facebook, I'm going to be working at summer camp, so I will probably continue to do videos. If you're not at summer camp, or you're just following on Facebook, I will give you my YouTube channel if you'd like to subscribe and have art projects. The projects are also listed on the Gateway Regional Arts Center page. If you're local to Mount Sterling, you can also find them there. And then my YouTube channel is Paula SB Art Lion. So it's PAULASBARTLION. And I will continue to post the summer projects there. There might be a week or two that I take off, but we'll have at least 1 or 2 projects a week. Okay, here's what the puppy looks like so far. And I like to have his tail wagging, so you can put that up a little higher than the leg. And you can see the puppy tail that way. Oops. Behind the leg, though. It just looks like his tail's wagging. Okay. I think we'll do our tongue next. Actually, before you glue your tongue on, if you want to take it and fold it down the middle and do a slight crease, that'll make it look more like a real tongue, a little 3D. I like to do that 3D stuff. And on the for the tongue, I left the nose up a little. Didn't put any glue on that bottom part. So I'm going to stick the tongue below that. If you don't want his tongue out, you can, or the dog bone, you can always make a collar, or you can make a bow. My dogs sometimes wore bows and hats and a little bit of everything. She really loved bandanas, actually. That's what she usually had on. And you can just lift up the nose and glue your dog bone in above the tongue. Okay. What do we still need to put on? We need 2 front paws. We'll make this one look like he's begging. You can make it look like he's sitting on all fours, or you can put the legs up higher and make it look like he's begging, sitting on his hind legs. We had students do that both ways as well. Oh, don't start on me, glue. It's been doing really well today until... There it comes. It's probably time for some new glue. Maybe empty. Some of my kids even got creative and made it their own by cutting the legs even shorter, the front legs, to make it look more like it was begging, which was really cute and very creative. To put them up higher, you probably want to put them on before you glue your dog bone and your tongue in. I didn't think about it until then. But he looks like he's kind of begging. We still need a nose. We'll put that right about there. Then we'll add the eyes. I use big roly-polies, so it has big puppy dog eyes. Those eyes that stare at you when they want something, especially if they're begging. Okay. Those puppy dog eyes will get you sometimes. They're hard to resist. Okay, I'm going to take my little whiskers. You could also use toothpicks for the whiskers if you'd like. Or you can take a white pencil and draw some in. Different ways to do it. And you can just stick a few whiskers on each side. And we're almost done. Alright, I have a couple more whiskers to glue on and we'll be finished. Whoops, they're stuck together on me. Alright. Oh, that's a long one. This one has a stray whisker. Okay. And there's our puppy dog. Alright. I hope everyone's having a wonderful week, as I said before. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will post, if you follow me on Facebook, I will post the supply and finished pics in the comments below the Facebook post. Alright. I will see you guys later. Have a great evening. Bye.